Hi, my name is Jack. My friends call me Jack of all trades because I like to do many things. And in this video I decided to show you what is the insiders testing. Recently I registered myself for hand watch test and there were two brands to choose from, Fossil and Armani, and I chose two different models. I'm not sure which is which I actually received. Today it arrived, so now I will do the unboxing and I will show you what's inside. I will cover my yes. So it comes packed with logo of the insiders. It's sealed, arrived by Royal Mail Tract 48 service. The thing is, the postman left it on the doorstep, actually in front of my door, in the rain, didn't call, didn't ring, didn't knock, whatever. So if I haven't checked outside, probably someone could take it and I wouldn't receive it. So anyway, it arrived in slightly damaged box, like that. For me it's not a big issue, but we'll see what's inside. So the box is here and we have Fossil inside. Okay, that's nice. Now let's open it. Okay, the box is damaged, so for someone it could be a problem, not for me. Okay, it's really nice, it's beautiful. I really like it. So this is the Fossil with leather strap, and they also supply a bracelet. Let's see. Everything looks lovely. The brand tag. Okay. As you can see, it's working. It looks really promising. It looks interesting. Actually, I can say honestly, it looks better here than on the pictures, so that's a positive surprise for me. Okay, let's take the tag off. Okay, I will put it in my hand and we'll see how it looks like. But I really like this leather strap. It's nice, comfortable. It's like, yeah, something nice. Okay, so yes, this is how it looks like on my wrist. It got hours, seconds and minutes and the date, so it's nice. I like it. It's kind of, I would say, casual, between casual and elegant. I think it would look good with some serious dress code, and also when you wear jeans and some casual clothes. I don't know, but let's see what it says back cover. So all stainless steel, water resistant to 5 atm. So good, I really like it. Now it's 4:59 p.m. so let's adjust the time properly. Okay, 5, and today we have 2nd, I think. Yeah, 2nd of October. So let me adjust the date. Okay, good, all done. I really like it. It looks nice. Let's see the other thing, which is, of course, there's underneath there is instruction with warranty and Fossil certificate, so it's all genuine, of course. Okay, and here is the leather bracelet or wristband, on whatever you call it, and it has a pin here which I take out. Okay. Actually, I never had anything like this, and I never thought to buy one, but if I got it with this watch as a set, let me try it and see. Okay, so looks nice. I'm not 100% sure if it's my style, but I don't feel awkward, I don't feel uncomfortable. I will wear it for a few hours, we'll see how do I feel with it, but this is what you can see. I really enjoy this watch. It's nice, light, and I don't feel it on my hand, so it's very comfortable. The leather strap is nice. I think I would recommend this watch to my friends and to my family and to you. So yes, I will post some pictures as well. I will take some photos and I will put them after this film. And yes, and okay, the model. So this is FS5251SET. It looks really nice. I hope this gives you some idea how this watch looks like, and if you like it, thumb up. I'm happy to see your comments. I'm not a regular YouTuber, so please do not be too harsh for me. And yes, I'm happy to see your comments. What do you think? I will try to improve my skills in the future if I post any video. and I think I got few ideas, so maybe you will be able to see me again. Thank you very much. Take care. All the best. Cheers.